Tired of chasing dead-end leads and wondering if Zillow Premier Agent is actually worth the investment? Today, we're diving deep into Zillow Leads, analyzing their true value and return on investment to help you decide if they're the right fit for your real estate business. First, let's understand what Zillow Premier Agent actually offers. It's essentially a platform where agents can pay to have their profile featured prominently on Zillow listings, generating leads from potential buyers and sellers. Now, the big question, are these leads any good? Well, it's complicated. The cost per lead can vary significantly based on your location and market competition. A higher cost doesn't always equal higher quality. You need to track your conversion rate. How many Zillow leads do you need to contact to secure a client? Quick response time and effective follow-up are crucial. Zillow leads are often contacting multiple agents, so you need to stand out. Utilize a CRM to manage your contacts, personalize your communication, and nurture leads over time. To determine ROI, calculate the total cost of your Zillow leads over a specific period. Then track the number of successful transactions resulting from those leads. Multiply the number of transactions by your average commission to calculate the gross revenue generated. Subtract the initial lead cost from the gross revenue to find your net profit. If that number is positive, Zillow leads may be worth it for your business. Ultimately, the worth of Zillow leads depends on your ability to convert them into clients. So analyze your data, refine your strategy, and make an informed decision about whether Zillow aligns with your business goals.